Hi guys, so today we're going to learn about nature, and this is what we're going to learn about. This, it's a cool one, let's see it. And this I'm going to give it to my mom. It's a flower that I picked. Yeah, I'm going to hide it. And we also have the standing lion. Very. Wee. And now I'm gonna put it. And I showed you this already, right? Oh yeah, I did. I'm not gonna give this to her. I'm gonna put all my stuff right here that I want to keep. And then this rock is like an egg but not cracking. It's heavy. But I can't even pick it up. I'm funny, right? And I always say this. Do you want to keep this? So do I want to keep this? Emma.
It belongs in our garden. You have to put it back when you're done.
Okay. But this, we can't.
You know what that rock is called?
No.
A river rock.
It's called a river rock. Did you see a river rock before? Looks just like this. It has a little bit white.
Smooth or rough?
It's smooth and rough because it's scratching me. It can be like nice back. Okay, I can't do that. And it's growing from the floor, and it fell down. But now it's growing. Hey, Eva, look, it's growing from the ground. But first of all, hold on, okay? Hi, say hi. You say hi. Say hi, Eva.
We're not showing me out there.
She can't say hi because it's not showing. But I'm just gonna put this somewhere else for my mama. For my mama. Oh, okay, no. And we also.
I forgot to clean that one.
We did this one, okay. Okay, this we're gonna put back, so put this right there. And the last thing, flower. Smell it. Wait, hold on, don't smell it yet. It's and now look, smell it. Oh, you have a stuffy nose. Me too. First of all, I'm 4 years old. I mean, no, I'm
Look what I found for you.
6.
Look how beautiful that is.
And I did this one. Smell this. Cool. I'm gonna keep this for my mom. No, not this one.
Hey, Micah.
That's for me.
Micah.
It's about this one.
Let's go.
It's called a bluebell. Oh, look inside it. Look right. How? Whoa. Oh, you can't see it. Smell. I smell like blueberries. Oh, you're right. This is different from my mom. So, yeah. Bye, guys.